farmer drinks all the goat's milk. When his hunger becomes uncontrollable, he asks the parrot to bring him something to eat. The parrot flies off and returns a short while later with a shiny golden pot. Silently, the parrot drops a single samosa into the pot, and instantly the pot fills up with hot, steaming samosas. The farmer goes wild with joy and eats them all, but soon he starts having a terrible stomachache. The parrot mixes some medicine into one of the samosas and gives it to the farmer. He eats it and immediately feels better. But then the parrot becomes sad again because no one liked his post.